It is their mitzvah.
Mitzvah is Hebrew for a good deed, and that's exactly what these volunteers were doing Friday at the Moonachie Civic and Senior Center. The building was devastated by the flooding caused by Superstorm Sandy, and hours of manual labor is needed to clean up the facility and prepare it to be rebuilt. The volunteers were coordinated by the Jewish Federation of Northern New Jersey and Nahama, a Jewish nonprofit disaster relief organization based in Minnesota.
The Jewish Federation provides the muscle, the volunteers, and Nahama provides the know-how. There are a number of girls inside who are, one is from Connecticut, one is from Baltimore originally. There's a woman, there are a couple of women who are from this area, one from Tenafly. I think the other one is from Paramus, and they're working because they are Federation volunteers.
For many of the volunteers, this was the first time dealing with a construction project.
I've never done this type of stuff before, but it was definitely rewarding. I mean, it has to be done, so there's nothing else, you got to jump into it and did what had to be done.
We house, feed, and equip and train volunteers with tools and safety gear.
Once the volunteers are done at the Civic Center, they expect to be working to help clean up various private homes in Moonachie. If you'd like to volunteer with Jewish Federation on Sandy Relief, you can contact them through their website, jfnnj.org/Bonham Register. Joanne Santilia for your New Jersey News Now on New York One.